wanted to do a comparison video of these two leaf blower. The first one's a Craftsman. It uses a 20-volt battery, and this one here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna say it right, but the Sihuird battery, Sihuird leaf blower, it uses a 21-volt battery, but they both really nice. I'll go over the Craftsman first. It's got motor back in here. It's got a good trigger. Got a little turbo button here. I'll start it up and you can hear it, and then I'll hit the turbo. You see how much louder it is. That's down there. It's got two tubes you just connect really easy. Like I said, got good grip. This is a good one here. This one we've had for a couple years. This one here, I just got in to do a review on, so I was gonna check this one out. But also, like I said, 21-volt battery. You see it brings the air intake here. It's got really good grip. Connect two tubes just like the Craftsman. It don't have a trigger. It's got the buttons here. It's got an on and off. Then it's got a turbo button too, but I'll cut it on. It's got different speeds. I don't know if you can see it. That's low. That's medium. That's turbo. You see the Sihuird is a good bit louder, but it's got a lot of blowing strength to it. It's a good bit stronger than the Craftsman. So, but like I said, they're both really good. If you're looking for one maybe a little bit more quieter, go with the Craftsman. Now it still makes some noise, but not as much as the other one. And it blows decent, especially with the turbo. It blow your straw off the driveway, dirt off the driveway, grass off the driveway. But this one here, I have some gumball trees in the backyard, and the Craftsman, it won't blow the gumballs off the driveway. This will blow it into the next yard. I mean, this is really strong, but like I said, it's really loud compared to the Craftsman. But I'm outside. I'm not worried about being loud. My neighbors, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna blow it in 5 o'clock in the morning, nothing like that. So this one here, I prefer this one here. And they're both about the same weight, not much different at all. But like I said, I prefer this one here a little bit more, just because the strength. But if I was doing stuff early in the morning or late in the evening, I'll go with the Craftsman just because it's not as loud. Either one's good. Depends what you prefer.